To withdraw on the Kucoin app, start by opening the app and clicking on More in the top right corner. This will take you to the Quick Access page, where you'll find the Withdrawal button under the Assets section. Click on Withdraw to proceed. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw funds directly to your bank account or debit card, you'll need to first withdraw them to another exchange that allows direct transfers to bank accounts, as Kucoin does not offer this feature. For example, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, search for BTC and paste your wallet address, such as your Coinbase or Binance address, into the required field. Select the network, choose the amount you want to withdraw, and click Withdraw at the bottom. The funds will then be transferred to your external wallet, from which you can deposit them into your bank account if desired.